Good morning students, it's your computer class and in your previous classes we have discussed about computer hardware, computer software, what are they, and also we have discussed about the one computer hardware which was our motherboard, okay. And now we will go through the next computer hardware next computer hardware, which is central processing unit, CPU. You have we would be familiar with this word CPU. Now what is CPU? CPU controls all the activities done on computer, therefore it is called the brain of the computer. Now what is CPU? CPU is central processing unit. It's the full form of CPU, and also it is known as the brain of computer, okay. CPU is called the brain of computer. This point you would be discussing from your very previous classes. CPU is the brain of the computer, and so I am reading from the book Central Processing Unit. CPU controls all the activities done on computer, therefore it is called the brain of the computer. Now CPU consists of three main units. In this CPU it has three main units. What are they? Memory unit, control unit, and arithmetic logical unit, okay. Arithmetic logic unit, this is your ALU, and here is your memory unit and control unit. Now in these three units, these all combine up and they make up the CPU. They are all found in this CPU, okay. Now first one we will discuss about the memory unit. What is memory unit? The memory unit stores data and instructions temporarily on which CPU works. Now this memory unit is for your storage, okay. This memory unit, what it does, it stores, okay. It stores what? It stores all the data and instructions temporarily. Temporarily means for a time being, on which CPU works, on which CPU will work. It stores all the data and instructions, okay. Now what is control unit? In your book here CU is mentioned, okay. Control unit, CU for control unit, okay. Now in this control unit it controls all the operations done on a computer. Now it is for your controlling, okay. It is for the controlling of what? Control. Now control unit controls all the operations done on the computer. It controls all the operations done on computer. Whatever you do on the computer, it controls, okay. Memory unit, it was for your storage. It temporarily stores the data and instructions. This control unit, it controls all the operations done on the computer. Now the next one is the third one is arithmetic logic unit. What is arithmetic logic unit? Here there is so I am writing here ALU, full form of ALU. What does ALU stands for? Arithmetic logic unit, okay. A for arithmetic, L for logic, and U for unit. So this arithmetic logic unit, it generally known as ALU. This unit does all the calculations and take logical decisions. Now it is responsible for what? It is responsible for taking decisions, okay. So it is responsible for taking the decisions. Now see here I have written. So we have discussed about these three units. The first one was memory unit, second control unit, and also the arithmetic logic unit. Now what is the responsibility of these three all? These memory unit is for temporarily storing the data and instructions, okay. Control unit for controlling whatever the operations are done on the computer, it will control, And ALU, arithmetic logic unit, what is the work of it? It takes the logical decisions, okay, and they all work in a combined state. It is in the CPU. CPU consists all these three so that it may work. These three combine up and they work, and they send we say that CPU has done the work, okay. So these are the this CPU consists of these three units. First one, memory unit, control unit, and ALU, arithmetic logic unit, okay. So it was all about your CPU. And what is CPU? You know, the brain of the computer, central processing unit. CPU, full form of CPU, central processing unit, and also it does the all activity as is the brain of the computer, as like your like our brain controls all the activity done in our body. That like that only, everything, every activity done on the computer, it is done from the CPU, as it is the brain of the computer. And it consists of three main units: memory unit, control unit, and arithmetic logic unit. Memory unit for what? Storing, okay. Memory, you know, to store. So memory unit for storing, temporary storing the data and instructions. The control unit for what? It controls all the operations done on the computer. And also arithmetic logic unit is for the taking the logical decisions, okay. This arithmetic logic unit, this unit does all the calculations and also take the logical decisions, okay class. It was all about your CPU, central processing unit. Now in your next next here is your input devices. We will go through it. So this input devices we will study in your next classes, okay class.